Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So a lot of persons have asked me if it's possible to use just a smartphone to upload videos on YouTube and to do all the necessary stuffs like add tags, add thumbnails, add description and all of that. Yes, it's possible, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. To publish videos on YouTube using just your smartphone, you are going to be needing three things. First, you need the YouTube application, but it's very likely you're watching this video from your YouTube. But if you don't have YouTube installed on your phone yet, just go to your Play Store or Apple Store and install the YouTube application. Then the next thing you are going to need is the YouTube Studio app. And if you don't have the YouTube Studio app on your phone yet, you should go to your Play Store or Apple Store to install YouTube Studio. And the next thing we are going to need is the content itself. So the content you want to publish on YouTube itself, and this involves the video, the thumbnail, the title, description, and tags. So make sure you have all of these ready. So I would assume you've created your video, you have designed your thumbnail, and you have also written out your description and the title of the video. And once you have all in place, the first step is to come over to the YouTube app, and you want to make sure you are logged in into the Google account you use to create your YouTube channel. So once you are here, just click on the plus icon you have on the bottom of your screen. So this will bring out some options. You could create a short, upload a video, go live, or create a post. But what we want to do now is to upload a video. So I'm going to click on upload a video. Then you just want to select a video you want to upload to YouTube. And this is the video I want to use. Just tap on it and you get to see a preview of the video. Basically, just go ahead to click on next. So at this stage, you want to add your title, your description, your visibility, your audience, and if you want to add your location and also add this video to the playlist. So let's start by entering the title of the video. Here I have the details of my title. I'm going to copy it and go back to what I was doing initially to paste the title here. And you want to tap on this area where you have the description. I would also copy the description of my video. Click on copy to paste the description here. Then I would click on the back icon here. For visibility, you have so many options here. If you click on public, this simply means you want to publish your video immediately it has been uploaded. For unlisted, this means that only people you share the link to the video can view the video. And also, unlisted videos will not appear in any of your YouTube public spaces. For private, only those you invite to view the video can view it, and they must have their own YouTube account. Alright, so if you want to upload a video and you're not ready to publish it yet, there's an option for that. You click on public and then you click on schedule. And this is the option I love to use because it allows me to publish my videos at the optimal time for my audience. So I want this video to be published on the 19th of August, and that is on a Saturday. And from my YouTube analytics, most of my viewers are online by 7 p.m. on Saturdays. So I selected 7 p.m. Then click the back icon. I don't want to add a location to my video. For the audience, my videos are not made for kids, but I would like to add this video to a playlist. This is a sketch tutorial, so I'll select sketch, and it's also a beginner's tutorial. But if you don't have a playlist yet, you can create that later. Then click on done. For shorts remixing, this allows other short creators to use your audio or your video. So if anyone clicks on that content that contains your video or audio, it will be attributed back to the original video with a link in the short player. So I selected allow video and audio remixing. Then for comments, you can either select allow all comments, hold potentially inappropriate comments for review, hold all comments for review, disable comments, but I would go for hold potentially inappropriate comments for review, just to make sure that inappropriate comments don't get to show up in my videos. So after you've done all of this, just go ahead to click on upload. Your video would start uploading, and it's going to take some time depending on the size of the video. You can track your upload by clicking on library, then your videos, and then you get to see as the video is uploading. Once the video has been uploaded, YouTube is going to process and check the video we have. And once YouTube is done with all of that, we can now move to the next step. And for the next step, we would need to head over to the YouTube Studio app. So this is the YouTube Studio app here. you would click on content and you would see all the videos you have uploaded to YouTube, including the one we just uploaded. Now you should tap on the three dots on the right corner of the video, then click on the pencil icon to edit the video. The next step is to add a thumbnail to your video. So I would click on the image icon on this video. So YouTube automatically generates some snapshots from your videos. You can choose from the options that was generated, or you can upload your own thumbnail. So this is the thumbnail I want to use. Now I would select the image. Now I clicked on select and I've added my thumbnail to this video. So what I'm going to do here is, if your channel is monetized, you are going to turn on monetization for this video. But if your channel is not yet monetized, you're not going to be having this option. So I'm just going to click on monetize to turn on monetization. And then you are going to select the type of ads you want to display in your video. So I want all of these. Then I'll just go back. Then the next thing you want to do is to come over to more options where you have tags, category, and all of that. For the tags, if you have them copied already, you can paste them. But I would like to type the tags. So the first tag should be the name of your channel. And you can add other keywords from the title of your video, from the description of the video, and the words you mentioned during the video. Then for category, you select the appropriate category for your video. For comments, we initially selected old potentially inappropriate comments. Now I also want the viewers to see how many people liked my videos and the type of license you want to use. I would go for standard YouTube license. Now I'll go back to click on save. So at this stage, we are basically done setting everything we need for this video, and there is no restrictions for monetization. So what is left is to actually make this video public. So click on the three dots beside the video and then click edit video. And for visibility, I'm going to change it from schedule to public, and then go back to click save. And with this, my video is now live on YouTube and people can start watching this video from anywhere in the world. Now if I come over to YouTube app and switch to the video section of my channel, you'll see that this video was live 16 seconds ago and people can start watching. So this is basically how you can publish your videos to YouTube using just your smartphone. So that is it, guys. If you found this video helpful, let me know down in the comment section. And if you want to see more helpful videos like this in the future, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.